Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to review the Connect-On Lightning to USB cable, and it's ideal for iPods, iPads, and iPhones. So stick around to find out more. So here it is, the unboxing of the Connect-On Lightning to USB cable, ideal for iPods, iPads, and iPhones. And I'm just going to do the unboxing right away. Of course, it's just a simple cable, okay, lightning to USB cable. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and of course you get a little kind of I don't know, just piece of paper I call it. Don't really look at any of that stuff. And of course here it is. Comes in a plastic, nicely presented for a cable, I think. Okay, and all I do is I just, of course, just take the stuff out from it. Okay, and there you go. The rest goes in the trash. So this is what a cable looks like. It comes with a, one of those little tie-ons, you call it. I mean, this also goes in trash. I don't like to keep any of that stuff. But this is what a cable is, and it is six feet. Yeah, that's what the box says. That's the packaging of here. That's 6 feet, and it's kind of nice because I like these cables. It's these are the braided ones. They are like cloth braided. I don't like the ones which are plastic because they always tend to break. Okay, and so that's why I like them. This is like 6 feet, so it covers a good distance. You're not too close to the wall socket you have to connect it to, and sometimes when you charge your phone you have to stay close to the wall socket because the cable is just about maybe 2 feet, and that's not enough. But this is like 6 feet, and it's fantastic. And because I've been using a similar cable and with the same brand, and I've been using it for the last 8 months, and it hasn't failed me. So let's have a look at these connectors over here. That's the connector, and of course, simple USB plug and play. And what I like about it, for example, when I'm using my phone, okay, and I connect it, it just so seamlessly connects, to it. It's not like you have to force it in, any of that stuff. So it's absolutely ideal. I've used many of these Connect-On. You buy them at Walmart, and they retail for less than $10. It's about $9.50 something, but it's less than $10. So it's absolutely ideal. I think this is the cheapest cable you can buy, which works. Okay, and like I said, the main thing is it going into the phone without any issues. Yeah, see, there you go. It's just like, it feels like it has a nice snug. It's not, it just goes in seamlessly. That's what I like about it. Okay, so that's perfect, and it always works. It's not like, sometimes you connect it to your phone and your phone doesn't turn on. You're pushing it and you connect it. Don't take my word for it. Right now, it's not connected. So let's try and do the actual test and see about at least 5 times whether it connects. Of course, the cable is brand new, but hey, I've got to do these tests so that you make the right choice and buy the right cable. Right, so here you go. I have the USB connected to the wall socket, or using a USB plug, and let me do the test over here. Okay, so let's do it. Connect. It should turn on. There you go. See, it turns on. Disconnect. Connect it again. So it should turn on. There you go. So no issues with it whatsoever. I'll do it one last time. Turn on. So that was my review of the Connect-On Lightning to USB cable. What I also suggest is buy one of these guys. These are the, I'm not sure if you can see them right now in the camera view, but these are cable keepers. So to have your cables last longer, I would suggest getting one of these. Okay, so that's one. All you gotta do is just attach using this little thing to
your cable, and I'll show you how to do that. And they're really cute looking, as you can see. And that's another one. All you have to do is just attach it to the wire underneath, and they will have your cable last much longer. So even though these are braided cables, but they're still susceptible to bends.
So as you can see, this one is connected to this cable over here, like so. Make sure it fits snug. And there you have it. A cable keeper, which is going to help your cable last longer.
And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Connect On Lightning to USB cable. And just so you know, the cable keepers retail on Amazon for $5 and you get a pack of 10. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you next in one of my upcoming reviews. Bye for now.